Want to send money internationally with low fees? Let's get Wise app on your Android. First, head to the Google Play Store and tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap the search bar and type in Wise and look for the app. Tap on the app to open the details page. Now, you can see the install button right here. Hit install and let it download. This should only take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once installed, tap open to launch the app. Now, if you already have a Wise account, you can log in or you can sign up if you don't have an account. If the app won't install, check your storage space and make sure your Android version is up to date. Have you used Wise before? Drop a comment below. Now you are all set to send and receive money effortlessly. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.